Good morning, Annie. What are we doing today, pretty girl? What should we do? Huh, Mamas? What? What? What should we do today? Oh, you want to say hi to Freddie? Say hi, Freddie. I love you. Had a great summer. But now I'm going to eat my favorite beef jerky sticks. You guys hungry? Who wants beef jerky? All right, take out our sticks. Mmm, yummy. It has lamb in it. Obi, do you want some? Oh my goodness. You gotta share with your sister. Here, Ann. All right, we love you, Freddie. Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa Beverly, for taking care of me all summer. Don't you, stop it. That's not for you. That's Annie's. Stop. 9. All right.